Ayat al-Kursi, the greatest verse in the entire Quran, a verse filled with the power, majesty, and protection of Allah. Allah begins by reminding us, Allah, there is no God except Him. The ever-living, the sustainer of all. Every heartbeat, every breath, every moment of your life, remains under His mercy and control. He never gets tired, He never sleeps, His care for you is constant. Day and night, then Allah tells us, that everything in the heavens and on earth belongs to Him. Every angel, every human, every soul, no one can intercede on our behalf, except by His permission. He knows the deepest secrets in our hearts, and everything we cannot yet see. His knowledge surrounds the universe, while our knowledge is only a drop. Allah's Kursi, His throne of authority, extends across the heavens and the earth, and protecting this creation, never tires Him, because He is the Most High, the Most Great. Ayat al-Kursi is not just recitation. It is protection, it is peace, it is a shield against fear, seer, and the whispers of darkness. Whoever recites it after every prayer, is guarded by Allah Himself. May this verse bring light to your home, protection to your heart, and tranquility to your soul.